morning and welcome to Data Center. In our previous class, we considered inner join. In today's class, we'll be looking at left join and right join, very respectively. We said that when you are working with relational database, where you have different tables connected to one another, it's important that you know how to use the join queries. Okay. Now, looking at this Venn diagram, you'll see that we have a set called customer, we have another set called product. In the previous class, we established that the intercept between the customer and the product is what we use the inner join for, okay? Now, if you look at this, the customer is on my left hand side, we use the left join, and the product is on my right hand side, we use the right join. Okay, so now if you are looking for the values contained in customer as a set, okay, then you're going to use the left join. We work in this, okay. All right, so we'll use this, basically this, okay. Then if you are dealing with this we are not will not no intercept with just what is peculiar to the customer alone, okay. Then for these as well, so I'll be showing you how it works. I will not be using our employee database because it doesn't contain certain things. So it doesn't contain certain things that we have the aiding of this class. So I'll be using the other database I started with, where we created a supermarket database, and we had a table for customer, a table for order, a table for products. So if you've not done that, you can go to previous class and see the step-by-step approach on how to create database tables and how to insert values into it respectively. Okay, so let's move forward. So if you are using the left join or right join as the case may be, this is the snippet you select. We used the alias in our previous class where we said instead of writing the full name of the table, we'll use either a string or a letter or character to represent the table, of which we're using M here. Okay, and then we said from this, and this is the M, all right, that is the alias, left join the other table, okay, that is our emphasis is on employee, then department, and then we ordered it by the number. Okay, this is just an example of how your code should flow. Is that okay? Now let's move straight away to uh, MySQL. I'll come back to this to explain cross-join query. All right, so go straight away to our MySQL. Now, by now, I'm very sure you know how to open your MySQL. Get your start button, and then you search for MySQL. It will definitely pop up, and then you double click on it. Once it opens, then all right. So if you look at my schemas here, see we have supermarket. I've done that before. Then under my supermarket, I have a customer order. Customer is a table. Pro order is a table, and product is a table as well. Okay, so we'll be creating the left join for this. We want to see how it works. Okay, so I'll quickly create another query tab. All right, we have this. So we select customer. That is what we're using. In our customer, let's look at what we have. We have customer name, ID, address, product name. Now the unique value in customer and product is product name. If you look at your product here, you see we have product name. Okay, so that is what is connecting both of them together. Please don't forget. All right, so we have name. I will be picking the name. I'll be picking the name and the address. Okay. All right. Now, before we proceed, I would love to also show you this. If you look at my customer table, we have just four value, four entry, 1 to 4. Now let's look at our product. Product, you see, we have 5. So you will notice that they are not equal when it comes to the rows. This one it contains 5, the other one contains 4. So it will be easier for us now to use this example, this database for our left join and right join. The other data set employee contains equal row because we have filtered, we have cleaned the data sets. It contains equal rows. So you may not be able to identify the differences easily. But with this, we'll be able to pinpoint and show you the significant difference when we are using the left join and the right join. All right, so we have 5 rows here, and then we have 4. Yeah, 4 here. Okay, so let's continue now. So we're picking the name and the address. Address. Then let's move straight to product. I'll be presenting product with P, and here we'll be using product name. Okay, from customer, that is our left join. Customer. Then we are representing customer with C. Okay, not cross, just C. Then left join. Left join. Then we pick the other one, products. We're representing product with P. Don't forget on this keyword is very important. On, then we'll bring it to our condition. C dot product name is unique. Then we have P dot product name. Okay, we can close it here. If you like, we can still add other by. Okay, let's run our code and see. Okay, you can see we have 4 entry. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and our customer is what? Let's check our customer is 4. How many entry do we have? We have 4. Then our product is 5. So our result here is showing 4, just 4. Now let me show you the right, because now we were dealing with right. Let's look at it. Right join. So we are looking at products. So you can see we have, how many do we have? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. But look at the product name. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 here. We have 4. So you notice that this is the right join. It's giving us everything that we have in our products. Okay, but we don't have it in our left customer. Okay, so you can see how it works. So we now notice, okay, when we use level, we can see the product here, but there's no name, no address here. Okay, but we have this in our products. We have all this in our products. Then all these are the things, those who purchases this. Okay, we can add condition. Okay, let's go ahead and do something where now I'll be using the comparison stuff here. uh what do we have? A price. Is it on products? Okay, it's on products. So we use p dot price. Okay, let's assume we said it's greater than 200. Okay, let's run and see. You see, all these are greater than 200. We still have 5. Okay, let's increase this to 400. Let's see. You see, we just have just 2. Pizza, which is 4,300, and chair, which is 500. Okay, Now let's perform right left join and see. Left join. You will not see this again. Let's go. Okay, you see it's just pizza alone because we are dealing with the customer data sets. All right, you can still go ahead and add the ordered by and some other things. So, but straight away we'll be considering the cross join. Cross join. Let's look at it. Okay. Now for the cross join, it works like using the product rule in statistics, the Cartesian product. This multiplied by this. Okay. This, it will take all this and multiply. It will take what we have in this and multiply by this and give you your results. Okay. So should, in case you want to have everything everything you have in this database, in this table rather, and the other one, you can use the cross join. Okay. Now if you move forward, this is the example of how your code should look like. You select and then your aliases. This is all, and then from this, there is the table, cross join the departments, and then you can then you order. How do you want it to be ordered? Okay, so let's quickly go ahead and do this on our workbench. Okay, let's type this and then okay. Okay, so let's quickly edit this. Okay, very well. See, that is all asterisk. Let's remove this. I'm picking two tables. You can do if your data set they are not very large, the tables are not very large, you can add more than two. Okay, so well, for now we're using just two. Okay, from customer cross join products. Then I'll remove this will go, this will go, order by C products, comma, then P products. Now I'm not showing the uniqueness here. Uh, this not at all. But I'm ordering this that I want the table, the results to be ordered using this criteria. Okay, so let's run and see. If you look at it before we run, you notice we don't have uh, on again. Is when you are using the inner join, the left join, the right join. That's the on is very important. Okay, so look at our results. You see, we have this 33332. We have 20 rows returned. You can see. We have shirts as well and a product name. Okay, so it will multiply the cost all these things by this. Okay, so you can see we have the product ID, the product, look at it, the product name, and then we have the product name. Okay, let me correct this. So using product name, because look at it, we have product name, product name. So let me quickly change this to address. Would that be okay? Address. Okay, let's change that to address. All right. So now you can see, yes, we no longer have product name. Okay. Okay, it brought down that table. So look at address. Then we have a product name. Then I can still change this again. Let's look at this. The under product, what do we have there again? Our product name. Okay, we have okay. This is okay. Let's stick to this. So let's use let me use one since we have product name instead of having two product name. Okay, let's run. Okay, so do you understand why we have this on our customer? We have product name too. Look at it. We have product name. On the products, we have product name too. So that is why we are having two product column. So it will multiply everything by one another. So we have this ID, customer name, address, product name. Okay. So this is how the cross join works. Okay. We'll be proceeding. We'll stop here for now. And next class, we'll look at other things we can do using join. Before we round up, I'd love to mention that when dealing with the left join, right join, left join is something as a left outer join, okay, or right outer join. It's the same thing to gives you the same result. Let me quickly do this. Okay, okay, you can see gives us the same result. Let's change it to right. Okay, let's run it again. Okay, same result we had when we didn't include outer. So please, it's the same thing. So as a programmer, we look for the shorter keyword instead of writing very long one. We use write, then just exclude the outer. Okay, so that is all. This will be stopping today. If you've not subscribed, please do well to subscribe and invite others to follow. I would advise you if you have missed any of the class and you're just coming for the very first time, look at the previous classes on MySQL and see how to catch up. All right. Thank you for listening. You have a lovely day.